What drives us to practice meditation? Perhaps it is the desire for good health, wealth, inner peace, wisdom, unlocking our inner potential, or even seeking enlightenment and connection with the universe. But who is this I that desires these things? Is it our physical body, or our mind? Hello, I am Victor. Ask yourself a question. Why you do meditation? I want to find love and good health. I want to find wealth and live a life of my desire. I want to find inner peace and wisdom. Who is this I? Is it your body? Or your mind? If you want to eat an apple, you pick up an apple, it's in your hand now. But then you change your mind, you don't want to eat apple anymore. When we change our mind and decide not to eat the apple, our thoughts may still be focused on the apple. The mind may generate various thoughts related to the desire and craving for the apple, such as why can't I eat the apple? I still want to eat the apple, or let me eat the apple. This is a common phenomenon that arises when the mind is not fully under our control. Our mind is composed of two parts, the conscious and subconscious. The conscious mind is responsible for only 10% of our thinking, while the remaining 90% is the domain of the subconscious and unconscious. Relying only on conscious thought limits our potential and is not efficient. Successful people tap into the vast mental wealth of the subconscious mind to achieve their goals. Your personality is a complex combination of various traits, habits, and characteristics that are the result of your past experiences and thought patterns. However, these aspects of your personality are not the real I. The true I is something deeper and more profound, which is beyond the realm of thoughts and emotions. Some people call it the soul. By understanding the true nature of the I, you can gain greater clarity and perspective about your life, and free yourself from the limitations of your past conditioning. When you say I think, the I tells the mind what it shall think. When you say I go, the I tells the physical body where it shall go. The real nature of this I is spiritual, and is the source of the real power which comes to men and women when they come into a realization of their true nature. The I has been bestowed with the greatest power of all, the power to think. However, many people do not know how to use this power effectively, and as a result, they often experience mediocre outcomes. Constructive and accurate thinking is crucial to achieving success and happiness in life. Meditation is a practice that enables us to gain control over ourselves, including our body and mind. We are curious, seeking to unlock the secrets of our inner potential. With hope and a yearning to tap into the infinite power that resides within us, we turn to meditation to explore the depths of our being. There is a powerful affirmation that can help you strengthen your will and realize your potential is: I can be what I will to be. As you repeat this affirmation, take a moment to reflect on the true nature of the I. Try to gain a deeper understanding of the spiritual essence that resides within you, which is the source of your power and potential. By doing so, you can tap into this inner strength and achieve whatever you set your mind to. If you want to make this affirmation work for you, make it a habit by repeating it every day and night. Keep using it throughout the day until it becomes a natural part of your thoughts. However, be warned that if you start something but do not finish it or make a promise and do not keep it, you are forming a habit of failure. Therefore, if you do not intend to do something, do not start it. But if you start, see it through to the end no matter what obstacles come your way. Once you make up your mind to do something, let nothing and no one interfere with your determination. The I within you has spoken, the matter is settled, and there is no room for any argument. Our subconscious mind is very powerful. We want to building a good relationship with our subconscious mind so it can help us achieve our goals and overcome limitations. It is similar to building a relationship with another person. It requires time, effort, and patience. With enough perseverance and a strong will to achieve your desires, anyone can accomplish their goals. To start your meditation practice, it's important to find a comfortable seated position that allows you to maintain good posture. If you're a beginner, it may be helpful to sit on a chair initially, as this can be more comfortable than sitting on the floor. Once you're seated, take a few deep breaths and focus on relaxing your entire body, from your head down to your toes. You may find it helpful to consciously release any tension in your shoulders, neck, and back as you breathe deeply. Maintaining good posture with a straight spine can help you to stay alert and focused during your meditation practice. Over time, as you become more comfortable with your practice, you may wish to experiment with different seated positions to find what works best for you. In meditation, a key practice is cultivating awareness. This involves observing your thoughts without becoming entangled in them. Rather than being controlled by your thoughts, you maintain a non-judgmental and objective perspective, allowing you to gain insight into your mental processes and patterns. Simply observe them as they come and go without putting in too much effort. If you notice new thoughts popping up, acknowledge them and let them go. The goal is to avoid thinking altogether. If you feel tension in any part of your body, such as your leg, simply acknowledge it without trying to fix it. Just let it be and focus on your breath or somewhere else. To calm the mind, focus on breathing slowly and observe the breath coming in and out. The breath is connected to our mind and heart, so if we breathe slowly, our heart rate slows down and our mind becomes more peaceful. When we exercise and our heart rate increases, we tend to have more thoughts in our mind. So, by breathing slowly, we can reduce the number of thoughts and bring about a sense of calm. Don't intentionally slowing down your breathing, allow it to happen naturally. When we meditate, it is important to let go of our expectations and judgments, and simply be present in the moment. Aware our attention on our breath or a specific point of focus, we can calm our minds and cultivate a state of inner peace and stillness. It's like comparing it to a magnifying glass that focuses the rays of the sun. When the glass is moved around and the rays are directed to different places, they have no particular strength. However, when the glass is held completely still and the rays are concentrated on a single spot for a considerable period, the impact will become evident immediately. Awareness is the first step in acknowledging and addressing an issue or situation, and may be a necessary step towards resolving it. There is a famous Chinese philosopher Lao Tzu, the founder of Taoism, saying that describes the 3 stages of learning or understanding. Seeing mountains is mountains, seeing mountains is not mountains, seeing mountains is still mountains. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this information useful.